Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a WhatsApp status on iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go by open the WhatsApp, and after that, to create a status you just need to go into the updates. So there will be like several options here or several features, and now you just need to go into the updates section, and after that you just need to directly click this plus button to access this status sections, or you can also just click this plus button and there will be appear two option. Either you want to have a like a media like photo video status or only text for your status. If you want to uploading some photo, just click the camera. You can like catch the moments in the real life, or you can catch the moments directly by click this button, or you can also exploring the picture and video that you have on your phone by go into this. Again, then after that just choose the photos, and after you're done you just need to add a caption, and after you done add the caption you just need to click send to send your status into your WhatsApp. But if you want to have it text only for your status, you just need to go back, click plus, go text, and type what you want to share into your friends. Let's say a morning coffee. Okay, and after you're done you just need to go click this plain button to share this to all of your friends on a WhatsApp. So that's all the way how to create a status on WhatsApp. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.